if you're new to my channel, here's the creek that runs through our property. We own on the other side of the creek as well, to below, maybe about mid-hill, right there. And then up this way a bit further, where it kind of ends back that way. And I think my second YouTube video ever, this is long before we got the tractor. We built a trail down here to the creek. It was already an existing trail, but it had been long since grown over. And now, after some work and getting the tractor, I've started cleaning up down here. Lots of logs on the ground. Honeysuckle, of course. Multiflora rose. Mulberries. And it does get a little swampy down here. This is really one of the only areas on our property that doesn't seem to dry out very quickly. While I'm down here cleaning up the creek, I'll show you the other part of our property that I can't get the tractor to. This is where the ravine drops down. And then there's a wash right here. Meanders up the hill here. But this area over here is where I want to get to. There's a lot of honeysuckle and crap over there. Alright, and now we're approaching the old proposed railroad bed right here. They never ended up building it. And this was before my in-laws purchased the property, so well over 35 years ago. But it's kind of cool. And this way. And that would have been the other buttress for the bridge that would have been right here. Go across the creek. And down here in the summertime, man, it is just full of stinging nettle, which sucks. Getting from where the tractor is to where I am is gonna be tough. There's potential I could get across over here or lower down here, I don't know, because it gets steep. But I could drive around the old railroad bed here. It's flat enough over there that I could get down into this area over here. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions on how to get the tractor through here safely. see, I got quite a bit done in that half hour. Today, in the big tool rack, I've got my O25 fuel, and my blower for blowing out the radiator, and then this pile of debris I'm going to take over here and fill in this washout. Goes down into the creek. It'll decompose and fill in the washout over time. And then I've got this little window that I've opened up to the creek. It's about 10 feet down. Still have some honeysuckle and whatnot right here, but with this drop off down to the creek, I think that'll have to be done manually. And same with anything that's just entwined in some of these nice hickories and hackberries.